It's a coherence, a way to learn concepts in harmony. Many students memorize this formula. A plus b the bracket squared. It expands to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a multiplied by b. But today we will actually see why it is true. Let us begin with a simple segment of length a. Now we extend it with another segment of length b. Together they form a total length of a plus b. Now imagine forming a square whose side length is a plus b. Let us complete the square. This big square has side a plus b, and so its area is a plus b bracket squared, which gives the left side of our equation a plus b bracket squared. We divide this square using one vertical and one horizontal line. Bottom left square has a side length a, and its area is a squared. This area contributes the a squared term in the formula. Top right smaller square has side length b, and its area is b squared. This area contributes the b squared term in the formula. This rectangle has sides a and b, giving area ab. Here is another rectangle with the same dimensions, again area ab. Since there are two such rectangles, together they give 2ab, which gives us the 2ab term in the formula. That is exactly why a plus b whole squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next session. We'll see you there.